You're right, it's Dan here from Markfield Woodworking Machinery. Say we're at Reynolds Bespoke in High Wycombe, where we've installed a used, refurbished OAV 330 and supply of a SIP airmate compressor, a bag of glue and glue cleaner. This is a single phase 330. So everything on the screen, currently up to temperature, current temperature, target temperature. You've got pneumatics along the top here, these two, for the guillotine and end trim saw. This is to turn the power on to the preheated rail. So that warms the board up prior to the glue going on. Especially useful